calculate the magnitude of shapes, most importantly the area and perimeter of two-dimensional shapes. I started with triangles. This is a continuation. A parallelogram has four sides with the opposite sides parallel and equal in length. Squares and rectangles are parallelograms. They are also known as quadrilaterals. As in triangles, the perimeter of a parallelogram is the sum of all the sides. Just that this time around, there are four sides instead of three. So depending on the dimension given, the area of a parallelogram can be calculated in two ways. Base times height, or base times height times sine theta. B times H times sine of the included angle, that if theta is given. The parallelogram has four sides. A, let's call this one A2, B and B. So if the perimeter is the sum of all the sides, it's going to be A plus A plus B plus B. A plus A is 2A plus 2B. A trapezium looks like this. Side A and B are the parallel sides. Side A and side B are the parallel sides. So sum of the parallel side is A plus B. A plus B. So the distance from A to B is the height. That's why we have a H on this side. You can use H or C. So the formula will translate to area of trapezium is equals to half A plus B, that's the sum of the parallel side, times height. A kite is a combination of multiple triangles, but the two basic ones are triangles ABC, A, B, C, and triangle BCD, B, C, D. These two triangles have four sides, A and A, B and B. They are equal. A and A are equal, B and B are equal. So the perimeter of a kite is the sum of all the sides. So it's going to be just like the parallelogram, 2A plus 2B. A plus 2B, that's the perimeter. But since 2A plus 2B, the formula now translates to, I beg your pardon, we move on to area of a kite. The area of a kite, on the other hand, is the sum of the areas of the two triangles. That is triangle ABCD triangle ABC and triangle BCD. So the area of let me get rid of this. The area of triangle ABC is half so that's going to be half times okay. Ooh. The area plus area of triangle BCD. So area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle BCD. So area of triangle ABC is half times B times C times H1. Take a look. This is triangle ABC. The area is half times B times H1. So area of triangle ABC should be half times BC times H1. Area of triangle BCD should be half times BC times H2. From the diagram, the length of BC is the same as the two Y's. This is B and this is C. So the length from here to here is the same thing as the length from here to here, which is Y, and again from here to here, which is Y. So that's 2Y. So it's going to be Y plus Y. Now if I replace BC with Y plus Y, I'm going to have a half times Y plus Y times H1 plus half times Y plus Y times H2, where BC is the same thing as Y plus Y. So Y plus Y is 2Y. This is going to be half times 2Y times H1 plus half times 2Y times H2 . Now 2 will cancel 2. half times hy translate to 2 will go. 2 will go. So we're left with yh1 plus yh2. If you factorize, you end up with y into h1 plus h2. This is the formula for calculating the area of a kite. Before we move on, it's important that we take a few practice problems. I have a simple question here on triangles. Find the areas of the following triangles. So, given a question like this, you are expected to draw up a plan or steps on how to solve it, just like I used to do. In mensuration, this is how you break down your solution. First, you write the formula. You write the formula. So if we are starting with this, we can see that 3 sides are given. The formula of finding the area of a triangle with 3 sides is the hero's formula. A is equals to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square root, where S is the same thing as half into A plus B plus C. This is the hero's formula. The formula is different from that of a triangle with 2 given sides. Now, having written the formula, you identify the parameters. For the first part of the question, we have A is equals to 6 centimeter. B is 15 centimeter. And C is 17 centimeter. Substitute and solve the final part of the equation. Then we have A, which is unknown, the area. If you watch the video on substitution in previous weeks, this should not be a problem. First, you substitute the parameter to find S. You substitute to find S. S is equals to half we represent A with 6, we represent B with 15, and we represent C with 17. Which is the same thing as half times 38 The half of 38 is, of course, 19 centimeter. Now you substitute to find A. This time around for the hero's formula. This. So A will be equal to, let me draw a line here, will be equal to S is 19. S minus A is 19 minus 6. 19 minus 15. And S minus C is 19 minus 17. All under a very big square root. So it will all translate to 19 times 13 times 4 times 2. 19 minus 6 is 13. 19 minus 15 is 4. 19 minus 17 is 2. Which gives 1976. Approximately, this will translate to 44.45 centimeter square. Okay, the second part of the question has two sides given. So we're not going to be using hero's formula. The formula for calculating the area of a triangle with two given sides is half times A times B, where A and B are the two given sides, respectively. Can be base and height. A is the base and B is the height. So the formula is different from that of a triangle with three given sides. So the parameters are there. A is 20 centimeter and B is 8 centimeter. So finally we substitute and solve. A is equals to half multiplied by A multiplied by B becomes half times 20 times 8. 2 and 20 can cancel to give 10. 10 times 8. 80 centimeter square. As simple as that.